everyone, look at this inspirational picture from Pinterest. Today I'm going to make a table decoration like this with our material, our table skirt, our leaf, palm leaf, and our flowers and flower foam. Let's check the effect. Okay, starting. Okay, now first of all, we need to put on our tablecloth. The tutorial about how to set up the table skirt and the quality, you can check my old video. Find the link on the information field below this video will be okay. The next step, we need to put on the floral foam to the table. Look at our floral foam. There's a clip on the back side. So we can make sure the floral foam will hold on the table firmly and will not move during all the event. But there's a shortage about our floral foam. That is the clip also. Because the clip is very tight, it cannot open large. And it's only suitable for the desktop. The thickness of the desktop within 2.5 cm. It will suitable for the standard tables, event table. But since my table is 3 cm, not much suitable, the effect may be not good. But anyway, I just want to show you how to make it and show you the effect. That will be not a problem. Just a little hard to clip it in, put it on. But anyway, I will show you the effect after I clip on the floral foam. Okay, look at this. This is the effect after I clip it on the table. So it will not move, but cannot push it from this side too hard. That will be okay. Don't push hardly from this direction will be okay. Okay, then let's put on the leaf. Okay, this is our palm leaf. Put the palm leaf on the short stem. We have different lengths of the stem, short and some long stems, so that could be used on different requests. And insert it on the foam. And about the flowers, since I was trying to use all white flowers, so we will use our rose, top rose, hydrangea, and our orchid flowers. I will show you the orchid flower later, like this. So and the other leaf, I will show you the effect after I put on the flower. Of course, I will show you the procedure also. And then our flower support wire, because I want to make a leaf wire to drag on the table skirt. First of all, I will put on the leaf. Since the foam is clipped on the table, so it can support the leaf wire a little bit. Or maybe let me tie the leaf wire on our iron clip to make it firmly and sturdy. Okay, look, I tied 2 flower support wire on the table. Tie them on our iron clip with a string. Okay, so put on the leaf to cover it. Then because our flower support wires, they are iron wire inside, so we can adjust the shrink. But anyway, let's put on the leaf firstly. It's very simple. Just put the leaf on the spine will be okay. I will show you the effect after I put all of them. Be careful, there's a little iron wire come out, so be careful to be hurt. Okay, I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put on our leaf to the flower support wire. Because our flower support wires, they are iron wire inside, so we can adjust the direction. It can be bent, so you can make it smoothly to go with the tablecloth and will not pop up or anyway, because you can bend, so you can control the shape. And also, since our palm leaves, because they also have iron wire inside, so you can bend it. So you don't need to worry about the direction of the leaf after you put on the foam or put on the support wire. You can bend it, so the leaf can smoothly to go with the direction you want. Okay, then next step, let's put on our oki wire. And about our oki wire is long, very long, about 1.4 meter long. So you can direct hand it on the foam will be okay, or you can bend it several times, so the iron wire cap will be broken, so you can got the shorter one. So by using our long flower oki wire, you can use on a lot condition you want. Okay, I will show you the effect after I hand on the oki wire or put on the oki wire, insert it on the floral foam. I will show you the effect. Okay, look, this is the effect after I type 2 oki wire on it. You can type on the clip will be okay, iron clip. And then I will add more after I put on some white rose or hydrangea. Our set color is white on this tutorial. In fact, we have different colors. If you're interested on our flowers, include the oki wire, you can check my Facebook page or link to my product link to my blog for the product list to check all the color and type of our flowers. Okay, so just put a stem, or maybe sometimes you longer stem or very long stem, and then insert on our floral foam. I will show you the effect after I insert them together with other leaves. Okay, completed. Let's check the detail. Look at our hydrangea, our rose, our top rose, and our leaf. If you want to check the detail about our leaf, you can check my old video. And this type of leaf. I use a lot of leaf. Check my old video so you can find my old tutorial to share you the detail about the leaf. Like this. Okay. Because my table is my working desk, not the event table, so it's small. This type of decoration will be suitable for longer table. I'm not good at flower arrangement, so if you do it, if you arrange the flower, I think maybe you can make it better, much more pretty. You can just some bubble in the middle, but one thing I need to emphasize, the flower foam is cut from this end, from this side, so you cannot, when you put the flower, jet the flower, you cannot use the wire to push the foam from this side, or the flower foam will drop off. This must be emphasized. And suddenly I got an idea. Because my table is small, so this kind of design looks much more too much for the table. How about I don't use such long, shorten the dropping wire and dropping height key wire. I will show you the effect after I shorten it. Okay, now this is the effect after I shorten the key wire. And how about I also shorten the leaf? Let's check it. Okay, look, this is the effect after I shorten the leaf wire also. And also, if in fact you can hang some bubble in the middle, but please don't try to hang a lot of everything on it, because the clip on the table cannot support too much heavy material. Okay, so this is today's tutorial. If you like all the material, please inbox me for the code. Thank you for your watching. Bye bye.